Today we are wrapping up the downsizing series, and next week we're starting something new, and I know you guys are going to love it, so stay tuned as we wrap up today's. And there are new videos posting every Sunday to the channel, so check it out. If you want to share any of your TSD projects with me, you should tag me on Instagram at the Suitcase Designer. Working on 2 hours of sleep. Haven't showered in 3 days. Honestly, I haven't changed my clothes in that long either because I'm not sure where they are. Feeling a bit overwhelmed at this point. Here's the plan for the weekend. It's Saturday, and today is the day we're physically moving all of the boxes. Not me, I'm inside today. Jackson and the mover are physically moving all of the boxes to the new apartment, and tomorrow Jackson and I will actually go with Izzy to the new apartment. So we are going to stay here tonight in an empty house one last time, say goodbye to the house, take a moment to be calm and kind of just be grateful for the last 2 years in this house. Tomorrow we will meet the owner in our home. They're going to walk through it and then give us back our big deposit, and then we go to our new apartment. This is the state of our house. It's still chaotic. Everything except for up there has been pulled onto the cabinets. This is stuff that's like recycling. That's from the DIY sofa. We dismantled it last night. Izzy, stop. This is the airbed we slept on last night because somebody came last night. We gave them away free king size bed and bed frame. So echoey in here. Almost everything from the cabinets is out. This is not done yet. Fuck. Closets have been packed up.
Moving takes lots of energy, doesn't it?
Go, babe. Thank you.
The actual stress is just dealing with the maintenance guys downstairs.
Oh, how was that?
Everything's just a process, you know. Paid to reserve the thing from 9 to 12, but at 9 they didn't know what was going on, and then I told them, so then they start to scramble to cover the elevator.
Oh yeah, the fabric
and
covers.
They don't want me to start until they
have
do
covered it.
But I'm just going.
We paid 50,000 won, about $50 to reserve the elevator for this short time. We have this elevator reserved, and then we have the elevator reserved at our other house at like just 1 hour afterwards, so we don't have a long time to get it all done. It's like, I'm gonna finish packing closets and use suitcases, and then I have an empty box here, and I'll pack up the workout gear. We hired another expat to help us move today who advertised. He got a truck. He advertised on our Songdo expat community page, so it's really nice that we're actually working with a foreigner today and we can support them. So, and he's really helping us. Oh, gosh, hate those box ends. I'm gonna pack in here. My goal is that as I'm packing, I'm gonna find at least one pair of underwear. Found them. 2 for good measure, right? This is where all my clothes have been all week. I forgot they were in here. There comes a point in every move where you must just throw shit in boxes and hope it gets there. This goes out to you, Mom. Trying to clear out this room so I can shut the door with Izzy's toys and just have a calm place for her. Izzy contained. Stay in your tunnel, okay? It's a safe spot, it's okay. At this point, all I have left is an empty box and a suitcase to pack everything I need to. Oh, moving stress is real. Oh, and I forgot, I gotta vacuum. Done.
How do you pack one of these?
I was gonna just take it apart, but why not just leave it together? Okay.
Oh, can I pack this suitcase?
Yeah, that's You guys did that fast.
This.
quickly collect any little thing that I possibly can to put on the trunk. I have to do that right now. Oh. Is this gonna fit in the new place?
We'll see.
Oh. This means the elevator is being used by us. Okay. That always stresses me out to see all of my stuff. You always have so much more than you think. And it just is stressful. I don't know how it's gonna fit in another house. I hate moving. No matter how much you're prepared for, at the end of a move is always stressful because everything is chaotic and you're always overwhelmed by the sheer amount of objects that you possess. It's okay. Well, none of that stuff made it in the boxes. Exactly like what I always say. The state of your house directly correlates to the state of your mind, and mine is chaotic. Yeah. I just called Jackson and the mover left. We only had him for like a time limit, but Jackson's finishing shuffling all the boxes upstairs of our new apartment. So I'm going to collect as many things around the house as I can, round those up, put them on my bike basket, and bike over to our other house. Hopefully wrap up this move by dinner time so we can enjoy the rest of the evening. We're almost to our new house. You know what I'm actually more stressed for now is putting this whole bag. One bag. Packed. I am taking, oh, so loaded up. No kidding, but I got a lot of stuff in there. I just got here and noticed these outside. Gathered everything to make it quicker for Jackson. Looks like he's done most of the work, so that means my timing is perfect. Afternoon update. We now have 90% of all of our things in this apartment. I think we're gonna take the subway home in a little bit and enjoy our last night in the house. I wanted to get one last family picture of us, but maybe in the morning. Just wanted to tell you that
We're here.
we're in our new apartment. We're so excited. This is our bedroom. It's like a little vanity space where you can get ready in the morning. Thank you.
I'm very happy.
Hi. Morning. It is the last morning in our house. We just had breakfast and coffee. 1 hour until the owner comes to check everything out. It's time to clean up and get out of here. Izzy, what did you get out of the bag? It's time to move. It's not time for a treat. Izzy, don't take those treats with you. I'm fixing up some things that you scratched. I think everything is done. We have to take a few things down to recycling, but I'll go through with them and I'm gonna check to make sure we didn't forget anything. I had one last bath this morning and went ahead and cleaned everything. I've already checked both of those, so we won't go in. So goodbye bathtub. I'm gonna miss you. Laundry room is all good. Oh, nothing up there. Okay. Office room. Oh my gosh. Okay. Come on, kitty. Let's check all the closets in here. I know, it's weird, huh? You wanna check in there? You guys are my arm extension. Nothing up there. Nothing in here. Nothing in here. Glass closet. Okay, empty. I guess this is like a mini empty apartment tour. Come on. This place is empty. Wow, this is so crazy. Kimchi fridge. This is what the kimchi fridge closet looks like. We had a big shelf in here though. Let's go up there. Good in here. Rice cooker shelf is empty. Empty. Empty down here. Empty. 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 Oh, this goes empty. 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 Empty, empty. This is all the stuff we have to leave out for our apartment, and all of that came with the apartment we have to set out. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are your house keys, BTW. Trash recycling key. I don't even know what all these keys are for. This goes to the oven. I found something. Okay, so kitchen is done. Empty. Oh my God, that's her. They're here early. Why would they be fucking early? So the owners came 30 minutes early. I wanted to take like a last photo or something, but we didn't get it, but that's okay. Is it done?
I think we're good. I'm just excited to hear the confirmation that they sent all the money instead of trying to maybe haggle with the realtor.
Oh, here you go. It's okay. This is our home now. Yeah, we're staying here. Yeah.